Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Ensure you are signed in with an admin account and disable any VPN so changes apply immediately. Open Settings. On mobile, go to Apps. On Windows, open Settings, Network and Internet, or Apps and Features. Once there, find the specific app you want to block. This is critical because different apps may appear under different names. Make sure to note whether the app uses background data or system services, since those need separate handling. Now you apply the block. On Windows, create an outbound firewall rule. Select Program, point to the app executable, choose Block the connection, apply to all profiles, and name it. On Mac OS, use a third-party app or PF rules. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Data Usage, and disable background and foreground data, or use a firewall app. On iPhone, restrict cellular access in Settings, Cellular. Once done, test by opening the app. It should fail to reach the internet immediately. Finish by validating the change. Restart the device, launch the app, and confirm no network activity appears in Task Manager or a network monitor. If it still connects, look for helper processes, a separate updater, or background services. Block those too. Make sure firewall rules apply to all network profiles. Sometimes rules are only for private networks. And if things go wrong, reboot, reapply the rule, and temporarily disable VPNs. This resolves most scope and profile mismatches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.